Well, after almost 34 hours, the rattlesnake has completed. It actually completed probably 3 or 4 in the morning, and then I went to work, so I came back. And so the bed is real cool. I'm assuming this will just pull right off and we'll be all good. I still need to print the tongue that comes out, but I'll do that in red at a different time. So let's start with the rattle. Rattle came right off. Hold it by the mic. Hopefully you can hear that. And it just has a little clip on the back that'll slide into the tail. So it's like I already had the thing off. A little stiff. Just needs a little bit of work to loosen up the joints. You can see hopefully you can see where the tail will clip into the end of the snake. Loosen them up a little bit. Gonna knock stuff over. So I don't know if the tail will actually slip in without any modifications or not. Looks like it's gonna be a little big. That is not going to fit. So I'm going to have to cut down the little piece there before that'll slide in, which is not a big deal. So there's a snake, and here's another one that's been finished with the red tongue and the tail that's already stuck on it. It just gives you an idea of how it will turn out after I do the red tongue. So that's the rattlesnake. It was actually 33 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, I was able to use my X-Acto knife to trim this just a little bit, and now you should be able to see how the tail fit in. I think the problem was my nozzle was just a little bit too close to the bed, and so I had a little bit of squish, which caused that opening to be tighter than it should have been. So I was able to correct that. So now we have the tail and the whole rattlesnake. Just need to get the tongue. Next time I put red in, I'll print a red tongue and we'll be good to go.